Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to this online lecture. I am delighted to have you on behalf of Institute of International Certification and Qualification. Today, I will give you a brief or a comprehensive introduction about this course that is Document Controller. We are proud to offer this comprehensive Document Controller course designed for those who want to build a strong foundation or deepen their expertise in managing documents and records efficiently, whether in engineering, construction, healthcare, IT, or any other industry. So, in today's sessions, we are going to start with an introduction to the field of document control. We'll explore what document control really means, why it's such a crucial part of any organization, and the key roles and responsibilities of a document controller. We'll also touch on the skills and tools you will need to succeed in this role. So, before we dive in, let me briefly introduce to our institute. The Institute of International Certification and Qualification is committed to providing the world-class training and certification programs across various professional fields. Our goal is to empower learners like you with practical knowledge, globally recognized qualifications, and the career-ready skills as well. So, whether you are completely new to a document control or looking to formalize your experience with a certification, you are in the right place. By the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of document control processes, best practices, and the real world applications that you can immediately put into the action. So, let's begin with answering a simple but the important question: what is the document control? In an era where information is valuable asset, managing documents efficiently is essential for the success, security, and compliance of any organization. Document control is more than just filling and organizing paperwork. It is a structured process that ensures the documents are accurate, accessible, and compliant with the regulatory standard as well. So, if I explain it in a simple way, so you can say document control means managing important papers and files so that they're always up to date, easy to find, shared with the right people, and kept safe. Let's take an example of a construction company. Like many teams work together, engineers, architects, safety officers. If one team uses an old drawing by mistake, the whole project goes wrong. So the document control makes sure only the latest drawing is shared and the old versions are safe but not be used by mistake, right? So next, the question rises here is who is a document controller? A document controller is a person responsible for organizing, checking, and managing all the documents in a company or a project. You can simply define it as document controller is a guardian of information responsible for managing, distribution, and safeguarding an organization's document. What are the key responsibilities of a controller? They organize and classify documents to ensure the easy retrieval as well, implementing the version control to track changes and prevent duplications, maintaining regulatory compliance by adhering to the legal industry standards, automating document workflow using digital document management system as well, training employees on document handling best practices as well. So I will simply summarize it that they keep records in order, make sure only the correct versions were used, track changes, share file with the right people, and the project sensitive information as well. For example, imagine your company is building a hospital, right? There are hundreds of documents, drawing, contracts, safety forms, approvals. So what the document controller do here? The document controller label each document clearly, keep them in folders, either they are digital or in a paper form, make sure that everyone uses the correct version and track who changed what and when. Without all these things, it could things could easily get lost, mixed up, or used incorrectly as well. So, in simple words, you can say the document control is the system to manage the documents, and the document controller is the person who runs and maintains that system. Next, why is the document control is important? Like why we are using it and why we are studying that, why it is important. The first point is here is ensuring the compliance, means adhering to the industry regulation, either it's ISO, GDPR, FDA, OSHA, etc. What it means ensuring compliance, it means that following the rules set by your industry, like safety, privacy, quality laws. For example, a medical company must follow the FDA rules to make sure that their products are safe. Document control keeps all the testing records, procedures, and approvals in one place so that they are always ready if inspectors come in case of any emergency or something. Next point is enhancing efficiency, means reducing time spent searching for critical documents. Saving time by making it easy to find the documents you need. For example, imagine you are looking for a signed client contract. With document control, you don't need to check old emails or ask your coworkers. Just go to the system, search, and in find it in a seconds. The next point is preventing errors, like how it prevents error, avoiding miscommunication caused by the outdated or incorrect documents, avoiding mistakes by making sure everyone is using the right and the most recent document. For example, an engineer update a machine manual, but someone on the floor still uses the old version. What would happen? That could cause a serious problem, right? Document controller makes sure only the updated version is available to everyone. So it's also important for preventing error as well. The next point here is improving security, means protecting confidential information from unauthorized access. How? You have to keep the important and private documents safe from the wrong people as well. For example, let us take an example of an employee's salary. Details should be seen by the HR. Document control systems can lock the file so only the specific people like HR staff can open them. Otherwise, no person have authority to open them or to check them. The next point is here is supporting audits and quality control, means maintaining a clear history of revisions and approvals as well. Keeping records of those who change what and when, so you can prove things were done properly. Like if you want to prove that the things are done properly, who did that, all these things. So documents should be controlled. During an audit, the auditor asks from you that who approved the safety checklist. With the document control, you can show exactly when it was approved, who did it, and even see the previous version as well. So, in simple words, you can say that document control is just like a smart filing system. It follows the rules, keep things organized, avoid mistakes, locks the private info, and keep it a full history of changes.